Dear friends, today I want to share you very interesting topics. Enzymes, very important for human beings. A German chemist, Edward Buchner, 1897, discovered an enzyme accidentally. All enzymes are proteins. Enzymes are produced by living cells. Enzymes catalyze many biochemical reactions in animal and plant bodies. Thus, enzyme may defined as enzymes are biocatalysts produced by the living cells which catalyze many biochemical reactions. Animals and plants bodies, all enzymes globular proteins. However, some enzymes are associated with some non-protein components called the protheistic group. The protheistic group, which is covalently bonded to enzyme molecule, is called cofactor. Metal ion attached to an enzyme is called cofactor. The prosthetic group at the time of reaction is called coenzyme. Coenzymes are small organic molecules. Without enzymes, the life process in living organisms would be too slow to sustain life. For example, without enzymes in our digestive tract, it would take about 50 years to digest a single meal. Enzymes are highly specific. Each biochemical reaction requires a particular enzyme for it. Therefore, a large number of enzymes must be present in our bodies. To date, more than 3,000 enzymes have been identified. However, only 300 available commercially. Some enzymes and their functions are listed. Enzymes maltase react with maltose and convert to glucose. Number 1. Number 2, lactase enzyme react with lactose, convert to glucose and galactose. Number 3, amylase react with starch, convert to and glucose. Number 4, invertase react to sucrose, convert to glucose and fructose. Number 5, urease react with urea and convert CO2 and ammonia. Number 6, carbonic anhydrase react with H2CO3 carbonic acids and produces CO2 and H2O, carbon dioxide and water. Number 7, pepsin react with proteins and convert amino acids. Number 8, nuclease react with DNA and RNA and convert to nucleotides. Number 9, trypsin react with protein and convert amino acids. Number 10, DNA polymerase react with deoxynucleotide triphosphate and convert into DNA. Number 11, RNA polymerase react with ribonucleotides triphosphate and convert into RNA. Dear friends, if you like, subscribe, share your friends. Thank you.